Partner with Academy Award winner Jordan Peele. In just a moment, we'll be taking you to Jupiter's Claim. Now, these are the actual sets from his new sci-fi thriller Nope, which stars Daniel Kaluuya, Keke Palmer, it's our movie baby, and Stephen Yeun. Welcome to Jupiter's Claim. Now, Nope, Jupiter's Claim is a nostalgic small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Juke Park. Over there, looking to the winking well, that's going to be on your left-hand side. There you have your picture taken, just like the kids in the old 90s movie, Kid Sheriff. A movie within a movie. That's what the whole place is loosely based on. Now, a little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience, built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Well, it's not looking so live anymore, actually. Now, anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of a UFO hotspot. What's a bad miracle? You're about to find out. Welcome to the world of Nope. Get on out of here. Let's roll on to the next stop. Whew, you guys, that was kind of terrifying, but you know what? We're almost done here. In fact, we're about 10 minutes away from the end of the tour. So even 10 minutes away from the end, if you need to grab my attention, you're dealing with an emergency, and here's the restroom, let me know now.